Whatever you do, just do not look underneath the grill.
Why? You tell me that now I have to look underneath. Oh my god! That is a huge spider! Oh my god! Spread the builder.
I don't like spiders with my burgers.
I don't like spiders in my burgers either. Luckily, there's no burgers on the stove yet. Oh, they're done.
Now that I got some food in my belly, I can move on to the next task. And that task is figuring out what to do with this low-lying marshy area, right where we're going to put our driveway and our pad for our tiny house. All this water is coming from the spring just up the hill over here. And it's multiplied in the springtime by the snow melt. This entire area here gets flooded out with about 5 inches of water. And then the area just to the right, where the runoff splits off, is about 3 football fields of marshy area just from this spring runoff. There's a few hundred gallons coming out of it every day. So my task for today is to survey the runoff from the spring, from the source to the best possible path to redirect the water away from our landing pad and our tiny house and to the area where we're planning on putting a small duck pond. Rocky's going absolutely crazy right now because he can't see me, but I figured out where to channel all this water to. It's kind of hard to see, but this area right here is kind of marshy. This is where all the water is going to, and then it's flowing off down into the creek area. A few months ago, I made a video showing where I was planning on putting the animals initially, like the goats. I'm planning on putting them up here on this hill and having a little pasture area out here. So over here is where I was planning on putting the ducks. I didn't quite realize it until just now, but where that water runs off, 90% of it goes right over here to this little marshy area. I had to go get Rocky out of his little enclosure over there because he was making so much noise I couldn't hear myself think. Now look at him. He's quiet as can be. Now that I got the area surveyed, we can move on to the next step. Grab the weed whacker with the brush blade and tear down anything that's in our path. So when we go to trench it, we don't have saplings and small trees and high grass in the way. But before I do that, I still got to replace the part that we broke the other day when we were out here brush cutting. I know it's hard to see now, but this low-lying area here would be perfect for a duck pond. We'll be able to put our duck house up here, enclose this area in some fencing, dig this area out here a little bit more, and it'll be perfect for our ducks. Unfortunately, my camera battery is dying, and I burnt through both the batteries I brought with me. But I'm going to continue working through the day until it gets dark, and I'll be back out